Hi, hello, vanakkam. This is Jenny. So today's session for grade 9th, of course 10th also. So the title is Program Design and Structured Logic. Okay. So the program design is a systematic process of planning how a software application will function. Okay. So before writing the code, if you want to writing something in a particular module or making design, know about the pseudocode. So before writing the pseudocode, we should follow some process. Okay, so how we can write in a coding in a disciplined manner. Disciplined manner means that is procedure, algorithm wise. Okay, so here you can use this logical control structures and looping statements. Everything you can use in this programming coding. For example, here I'm showing you first one is program design. So program design means first we should analyze the problem. What is the problem definition? Identify the input and processing. Then you can get the output. Okay. So second step is you are going to make algorithm. Algorithm means you are going to write a coding. Step 1, step 2, step 3. And here you can see the example. So we are going to find the largest two numbers. So how we can write this pseudocode in your language? For example, you can take C, C sharp, ASP, VB, J, or Python. Okay, and PHP. Every languages is available in our computer. So you can take any one of the language. Okay, so here you can see this coding of largest two numbers algorithm. So how we can write the algorithm? Start, you are getting input, you are assigning that values a and b. Okay, so next you are going to check the condition and final stage is stop. So for this algorithm you are going to make the flow charts. Okay, so that is means, which means graphical representation of that programming. Okay, so for oval shape means we are going to start and stop the program. Parallelogram means you are going to make the input and output both. Okay, so and rectangle for process and diamond for decision making. And then pseudocode means that is false code. Okay, so before writing the original code you are making false code for your analysis. Okay, so here you can see the structured pseudocode means how we can write. For example, simple, find the largest two numbers, begin. So this is your normal writing code. Okay, so that should be in English description only. Pseudocode means you are going to make the false code for the original code. Okay, so after that, hereafter you can produce the original code. That original code will be at Python, PHP, C sharp or Java, anything as you like. Okay, so here you can see that duplicate code or false code. How we can write? Begin, read A and B. If A greater than B, then print A, else print B, and if and final end the condition. Okay, this is your pseudocode. So if you are writing this code in a Python, C sharp or Java, I can show you how we can write these conditions. Okay, so next, structured logic control structures means you are going to use some logic conditions. Okay, for looping statements you can use this. Decision making you can use this types of conditions, if else if, switch case conditions. Okay, so here you can see this code. Okay, so if marks greater than 50, then print pass. If it is not, means you can print else, that means fail condition. Okay, and iteration you can give the looping conditions. For example, 50 students, 60 students in your class means you can calculate for the 60 students. How we can give this example? By using of this iteration looping statements. Okay, for, while, do while. 3 statements are available, you can use as you like. Okay, and for example here they are showing for I equal to 1 to 5. Okay, so 5 students you are calculating, then print I. So answer should be that input should be stored in the I value. Okay, variable. So which one is the program will print? The I variable. Okay, so the I variable store the values of that 1 to 5 students. Okay, so these are the program structured logic coding. okay, and third one is modular design. Okay, so why we are using this modular design, or that means modules or functions, means easily he can find the error. And code reuse, better readability and better maintenance. For this purpose we are using this modular design. Okay, here you can see this real languages. For example, Python, how we can write this code: if a greater than b colon print a, else colon print b. This is your original source code. Okay, in C sharp, C++, how we can write these conditions: if open parenthesis a greater than b, close the bracket, parenthesis, and brace C out, that is your input function. Okay, that is your output function, else C out b. C out means print. Okay, so Python, here you can write the print condition, but C sharp, here you can use this C out. For JavaScript, how we can write this: console.log of a, else console.log of b. So this is your original code. Okay, so how this you are going to apply in our computer language. Okay, so this is not pseudocode, this is your real code. For example, how many languages? All the languages we can write. Here I am showing Python, C++, and JavaScript language. Thank you so much. Bye from Jenny.